there, friends, it is me, Mike Harmon, and I'm here with a cool fix of the day. So behind me we've got my daughter's Nissan Murano, and it was missing a cap. So I'm going to show you real quickly how easy it was to make the replacement part using Tinkercad and a 3D printer. Alright, so I have no clue how I managed to misplace this, and I am going to take the blame because I'm the one that does most of the maintenance on the car. But it is gone, so what I did was I came out and I measured and found out that it was 58 millimeters. Once I had that size, I just took the tube and gave it a 2 millimeter diameter, and then also I lifted it up 5 millimeters off the edge of the base, and check this out. Snaps on just like you'd expect it to. So I am going to make another version, and I'll post it on Thingiverse, and it'll have the little wiper fluid label. But oh my gosh, it took me about 30 minutes and 2 tries because the first time I didn't have the ridge long enough. But it is that easy to create your own parts for your cars. Alrighty, so let's check out how that design was created. Once again, I was in Tinkercad, and I simply took a cylinder and a tube and I grouped them. And then also I took an extra cylinder, which I'll hide, to cut off the outside edge. This gave it the nice lip so that it stays attached. And then you can see down here, the very top of my design was only 0.5 millimeters thick. I'm going to change that now to 1 millimeter thick because it is in permanent fashion. I was just testing it then. And then just as a nice classy touch, I'm going to add the word wiper fluid to it. What's kind of slick about this is I'm going to cut it out 0.25 millimeters so it'll cut it in. Just shrink it so it fits in these 2 directions. That way I'm not changing that 0.5 height. I'm going to make it a hole, and then I'm going to invert it so that when you put the cap on, it's actually right side up. Now I can just move it into place. Grab everything, and once again I'm going to center it one more time. And now when I group my entire project, including the hidden parts, we are back in business. And we've got a cool cap that's a little bit thicker and says wiper fluid underneath. And that, my friends, is how I created this cool project using Tinkercad. Thanks for watching. I sure appreciate it. If you want to be notified of new movies, make sure that you click the little notification bell up at the top so that you are the first to see the new cool content. If you have something you want me to create, just let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.